Hello everyone friends! On the Valor channel, today I will show you how to install Easy Anti-Cheat. Go to Steam or any other, yes, place where games are launched. We need a game with Easy Anti-Cheat. This is the first option. If you have one, right-click and find Local Files. Here we will have Easy Anti-Cheat and a setup for it. And you can run it and just install Easy Anti-Cheat. That's it. The second option is if you have already had Easy Anti-Cheat, go to this computer, Drive C, Program Files 86, and here we have Easy Anti-Cheat 2, and there is also an X file that you can run, yes, and install it for the game you want. And click Repair Service. That's all. I was with you. Click Install then. That's it. And accordingly, we look for the ID. That's it. But for that, you have to have a game. That's it. That's all. Valero was with you. Subscribe to the channel. Goodbye, everyone.